Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to have the opportunity to address such a distinguished audience. Let me introduce myself and our member in group. I am Thitisak Sanghiran.
My name is กสิดิษฐ์พ่วงสมบัติ
My name is กัญญเศรษฐ์สิริโสภาพงศ์
My name is Chitrin Obitakchiwan.
My name is Vasu Sridaranop.
We are the first year students in the Faculty of Institute of Music, Science and Engineering at King Mongkut's Institute of Technology, Rai Krabang, or KMITL, in Bangkok. Today we are going to present our topic. The topic of our presentation is waste problem. In our presentation, we will focus on four major issues. First is background of topic. Second is global impact of the waste problem. Third is impact of the waste problem on Thailand. And finally is proposed solutions. From this topic, we want you to realize that if waste is overflowing and accumulating over a large period, how serious will it affect nature? Because lately we will see news of impact sea culture that count the effects of waste, such as dugong mariam, deadly shock and foul plastic accumulating gas in the digestive tract. There is an infection in the bloodstream causing pain until shock. And it is not the first time encounter such a thing, which this news made us feel sad.
In general, waste is divided into four types.
1. Biodegradable waste. 2. Recyclable waste. 3. General waste. 4. Hazardous waste.
Biodegradable waste or compostable waste is perishable and decomposed waste which can be composted, such as food scrap, leaf, animal waste. Recycled waste with packaging waste or waste material that can be used, such as glass, paper, can, plastic scrap, metal scrap. General waste is waste that is difficult to degrade and is not worth for reuse, such as plastic wraps for snacks, from contaminated food, shade or plastic bags for packing foodstuffs. Hazardous waste is solid waste that is contaminated or contains material compositions. These possible items from medical institutions, such as sylings, bandage, and waste that are combustible or explosive toxic substances, such as light bulbs, spray cans. This type of waste must have special methods for handling and destroying properly.
In this presentation, there are three issues of waste in global. 1. Climate change. 2. Marine life. 3. Public health. First, the trash that is dumped in landfills releases methane gas. Taken one step further, open landfills were found to represent 91% of all landfill methane emissions. The burning of large open piles of trash in various parts of the world emit dangerous levels of carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that is heating up our planet. Researchers have calculated that approximately 40% of the world's trash is burned in this fashion, posing large-scale risks to both our atmosphere and the people that live near these burning sites. Second, marine life. One of the most outside consequences of our global waste problem manifests itself in relation to our marine life and waterways. They cannot distinguish between what is or isn't food. They consume the trash, which results in death because the aquatic animal could not process it. This affects fish, seal, turtle, whale, and many other aquatic animals. Third, public health. A breeding ground of insects and carrier is the source of disease. The more emissions that we produce due to how much trash we generate affects us long term. One can develop diseases such as cancer, childhood cancer, COPD, low birth weight, bacteria, vermin, and insects can also be added to the problem that trash causes.
Impact in Thailand. After the Loi Krathong festival, we will see pictures of impact from Loi Krathong along the water source from the camp. Become a big job of the cleaning staff. This event occurs every year after Loi Krathong Day, which affect various water sources in the Thailand that are used for Loi Krathong and aquatic animals, and may even cause water to become polluted, which is very tragic matter. Which aside from Loi Krathong to ask for forgiveness from Pama Kongkha, there were also many floating lanterns in the sky. And did you know that grounding resulting in air pollution that may be able to affect the environment and human health in many ways? During the Loi Krathong festival, the amount of PM2.5 and PM10 is higher than in the normal range.
Let's talk about solving waste problem. In general, every country will have waste management depending on how we can help reduce it. 7R. 7R is what is the principle that invite us to reduce and stop creating waste unnecessarily. 1. Rethink. Thinking before choosing a product that will cause pollution. 2. Refill. Refuse to accept foam, box, and single-use plastic. 3. Reduce. Consume or use things as needed does not make it a waste. 4. Repurpose. Repurpose packaging into art and craft. 5. Reuse. Use what allow items to reduce waste. 6. Recycle. Separate waste types. Some types of waste can be recycled. 7. Lob transform organic waste into nutrient-rich soil amendment. We don't have to do everything, just as we do as we can. And I have another solution to propose to bring plastic back made from polylactic acid (PLA) into bioplastic. Biodegradable can be carbon dioxide and water by microbes in nature. After use, which is produced from renewable resources such as corn, cassava, and sugarcane to replace plastic currently used by the campaign, then began to enforce law to help manage plastic that affect to environment.
Now we are being at to the end of our presentations. The purpose of these presentations in order to present each type of waste. It is something that everyone should know, including the impact that will follow with waste, either global or in Thailand, which comes with cultural traditions that are normal. And the solution to this topic that we once cited above, whether it is 7R or replacement of legal material to help manage. Thank you for your attention.